Hello, welcome to my video. I showed you that I was going to use that red razor, but I ended up using a box cutter razor. Well, anyway, I'm disinfecting the razor with alcohol because I'm going to use it to try to make cuttings from my garden. I saw on a PBS program a guy recommend using metal in your garden, so I've found these steel cans to be convenient and useful. This is the rooting hormone I'm using. First, I like to put down a base of just soil, and then on top of that I put this mix of peat and perlite to hold the water, and also create a loose environment so that the roots can easily push out into it. This is a mulberry that I'm intending to make cuttings from. The reason why I wanted to make cuttings from this is because it's a white mulberry, which I particularly like. In my research, I have heard people recommend using either the woody part or the new fresh growth, and I've just found my best results are when I just try a whole bunch of everything, then just hope that something will work. These are cuttings from an apricot tree that I started from seed. This is a cherry kind of bush thing that I have, and this is the same thing but from a different one. Then I mist the leaves. I saw on a video that misting the leaves helps keep them cool and helps them prevent water loss. This is examples of fresh growth versus old woody growth that I was referring to earlier. I like to put them inside by the window. I feel like that makes the light a little bit mellow and helps them survive long enough to put out roots, hopefully. Here are the new cuttings, also with some old cuttings. There's some old cuttings that have put on new growth, which is exciting. And this is a quick tour of my garden. This is an orange tree that I grew from seed. This is the Nanking cherry. This is my apple tree that's putting on apples for the first year. This is mint. This is a serviceberry bush. And this is my bamboo, which is incense bamboo. And this is another cherry bush / tree. This is a blue spruce, and here's Geppetto. Thanks for watching.